Hello students, dear students, today we will learn Standard 6 Social Science, Chapter 5, the Vedic Period, page number 46. In my previous class, we already started the chapter. Let's continue the chapter. Social classes. The society was divided into four distinct castes: the Brahmas, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas, and the Sudras. The highest class was the Brahmas, which consisted of educated priests and scholars. The Kshatriyas were the rulers and the warrior, and the Vaishyas were the traders, cultivators, and skilled workers. The Sudras served the other three groups and did the menial jobs. Students, see, this is the divisions of society: Brahmas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Sudras. Four stages of an Aryan's life. The Aryans had introduced a strict code of discipline in their life, which they had divided into four well-defined parts. The whole span of life was supposed to be 100 years, of which the first 25 years were to be spent in a Gurukul, where students were taught by learned Brahmins in various arts of life and religion. This stage of life is called Brahmacharya. Grihastha was the next stage, when a man married after completing his formal education and took up the role of a responsible householder. The next stage was called the Banaprastha ashrama. Banaprastha, or the age of virtual retirement from worldly life, started at the age of 50, which was followed by the last stage of life called the sannyasa, the stage of total renunciation to lead life of service and preaching. Food and dress. Aryans used mainly rice, barley, fish, milk, and fruits. Madhu, Sura, and Soma were their favorite drinks. Sura was an intoxicating drink prepared and consumed by Aryans during festival or special occasions. On the whole, the food of the Aryans was simple but nourishing. The dress worn by the Aryans was not very different from that of the Harappas. They wore two pieces of cloth, the upper cloth and the lower cloth. People wore cotton and woolen cloths. Both men and women seemed to have wore one garment wrapped around the shoulder and another garment round the waist. Women also wore ornaments such as rings, earrings, and necklaces. These were made of gold or other metals. Recreation. The Aryans had many kinds of amusement: hunting, horse racing, chariot racing, wrestling, dancing, music, and dice gambling were their favorite recreations. But gambling was their favorite time passing means of amusement. They gambled with dice. Now, religious life. The early Vedic people found it difficult to explain natural phenomena such as the appearance of the sun and the moon, the advent of rain, etc. Hence, they looked upon these natural forces as divine beings. The Aryans' religion was simple but became more and more complex in course of time. The gods of the early Vedic period were mostly males, and people worshipped various forces of nature. The important ones were Indra and the warrior, God Agni, the god of fire, Varun, the sky god, Prithvi, the goddess of earth, Ratri, the spirit of night, etc. The people prayed for good health, sons, and cattle. Political life, king. The Aryans were divided into small tribes which often used to fight with each other and also with the indigenous people. Each tribe had its own ruler known as the Ranjan. The king was highly respected and ruled according to the wishes of the tribe. The main duty of the king was to protect his people. King's officers. The kings had various persons to attend on him. There was a commander of army who was called Senani. The Purohita or priest performed religious ceremony. The king also sought the advice of the headmen of villages, Gramins of his tribe, Sabha and Samiti. There were two village assemblies called Sabha and Samiti. The entire village attended the Samiti while selected people were members of the Sabha. How is their economical life? Agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation of the Aryans. Rice, wheat, barley, cotton, and oilseeds were grown. They seem to have had better knowledge of agriculture than the Harappan people. They knew about different seasons and their effects on agriculture. Herding. The Aryans were basically pastoral people. They counted their wealth by keeping cattle. The cow was one of their favorite animals. The domestic animals were exchanged by barter system, but later on coins were used. Other occupations. Occupations followed by people were carpentry, fishing, weaving, pottery making, tanning, metal working, etc. Priests, apart from performing religious duties, also acted as village physicians and teachers. They propagated teachings of Vedas and treated sick with medicinal herbs and plants. In Vedic period, a new and important metal, iron, was discovered. Okay, students, thank you.